Hey everyone, this is Abdul from Learning Q&A. Today's topic is about how to make money on Fiverr even if you don't have any skills. Let me teach you how you can do that. I know that everyone watching a lot of videos about how to make money on Fiverr and you find some videos and get some ideas, but the problem is you don't get any orders after publishing your gig. Oh shit. You know that why it happened? The reason is you publishing a high competition gig like this. Just look at this gig, logo design. Nearly 1,90,000 people are offering this service. So how you can get an order from this gig? I don't tell it's not possible to getting an order from this gig. You can get, but you need to wait some more time. As a beginner, I don't recommend this gig because it's hard to rank and the keyword is very difficult. So I give you 8 low competition Fiverr gig ideas with high demand. You can easily get an order when you publishing this gig. Just look at this gig. Only 95 people are offer this gig, and also this gig get only 170 people are offering. So let's get into the video, guys. Before moving to this video, if you are new to my channel and you want to make money online, just hit the subscribe and bell icon also. After watching this video, if you think this video is valuable for your time, put some like and share with your friends. And also I will tell you the how to rank higher on Fiverr. The first gig is wedding invitation. I just searched it on Fiverr. Only 117 people are offering this service. Do you think you are not a web developer? Then how do I create a website? Don't worry about that. Let me show you something. You can create a website without a coding. Just open Canva. Canva is an online graphic tool website, guys. You can use it for free, and maybe if you need something additional feature, you can move to a paid version. Link in below. Search wedding invitation in the search box. Here you can find tons of ready-made template for free and paid version also. You can use it or you can create your own design. I will open this design, guys. I don't teach how to design because it takes some little time, so I just skip this part. I will show how to create a link for your design. After completing your design, in above you will see a option button. Click that and select share. Then your link has been created. You can copy it and send it to your customer. And guys, I already uploaded a video that help you to how to rank higher on Fiverr. I attached that link in iCard and the description also. The second gig is Instagram Carousel. Instagram Carousel is a post type on Instagram. Let me show that what is exactly and how it works. I open my Instagram and I go to my profile. Look at this, guys. This is a carousel image. Nowadays, the most of the influencer businesses and the social media marketer use the carousel to reach more audience. So it has high demand because everyone want a unique design. So you can provide this service and make a decent amount of money. Let's check the competition of this gig, guys. Whoa, awesome! Only 16 people only offering this service. You can easily get order from this gig, guys, and also you get paid 1000 rupees for each order you complete. If you don't know how to create a carousel image, I will give you a one free carousel template. Come and ask me on Instagram. The link in description below. Now let's move to the third Fiverr gig idea, Instagram story template, guys. This gig also has a high search volume and a low competition. Check this, only 95 people offering this service, guys. Look at this speed. All of the freelancers are getting a minimum of 30 orders and you can easily get ranked on this gig, guys. And guys, don't just upload a Instagram story template as your gig title because Instagram story is a high competition keyword and it's more difficult to rank. So you can provide your gig like Instagram birthday story template, Instagram new post stories template and Instagram question stories template. How to create Instagram stories, guys? Don't worry about that. Use Canva to create eye-catchy stories and also you can use a ready-made template to create a story. Just like this, guys. You don't need to be a graphic designer to do this job. Just learn how Canva is work and learn something graphic design knowledge. And guys, the fourth Fiverr gig idea is Pinterest pin images. Usually, first analyze the competition of the gig. Look, only a few people are providing this service, guys. I just click this one. I will design professional Pinterest pin image that bring traffic. He get paid 5 pins for 779 rupees and 10 pin images for 1168 rupees and 20 pin images for 1557 rupees. So how you can provide this service? I will give you some keynote that help you and also I will give you a free 5 Canva template. Just ask me on Instagram Pinterest template, then I will send you to that. Guys, the keynote is create a image with 1600 into 800 pixel. Don't use a dark color and use only light color. Use Josephine and bold font. Use Pixel website to get a free stock images. Use Canva to create it. And guys, the fifth Fiverr gig idea is Etsy shop banner. This gig also has a high search volume and a low competition. Only a few people offer this service, so you can easily get order when you provide this service, guys. I just click this gig. Look, he get paid 779 rupees for one single banner, guys, and the standard package is 1575 rupees, and the premium one is 2725 rupees for a banner plus logo plus social media kit image, guys. Also, you use Canva to create a Etsy store banner. Let me show how the banner look, guys. Now I open Etsy.com. I just randomly choose any of the one store. Look at this, guys. This is a Etsy shop banner. We just create it like this. In description below, I attach a blog post link that help you to create an Etsy shop banner. So guys, this is the 5 Fiverr gig ideas that has high demand and low competition. You can provide the service and make a decent of money. Now guys, I just finished this video. I meet you too soon with another money making episode.